Download VirtualBox for your operating system. I will download for Windows. I already downloaded, so I will cancel it. Open VirtualBox and follow. Name anything. I will name Lowe's 22. Select your ISO. I will leave link to mine in description. iOS must be VirtualBox compatible. Select other Linux. Select at least 2 GB RAM. Create at least 13 GB disk. Now click on Settings. Now add another 2 GB or more disk. I will add 4 GB. Select first option. Now select Format Data. Choose Apply Update and select ISO option. Choose Listed ISO. It will take some time to install. Now select No and then select Reboot to System. Select Boot from Disk, then select First option. It will take some time to boot. Let me fast forward it. Boot animation came up. And it booted. Thank you for watching.